Head of Business Development.
This is one of the most anticipated awards of the night.
Oh, definitely, bro. All attendees have prepared and tried their best to look extra beautiful tonight, but only one will take the home title.
On behalf of our Lux Beauty, and Wellness family, we would like to congratulate the Lux Star of the Night, winner of this award. We have Sir RJ Macaraig.
Good evening, everyone. On behalf of Miss Ana Magkawas of Lux Beauty and Wellness Group, our Lux Star of the Night is Miss Aiko Melendez.
Presenting the plaque for the BMTC is Mildred Batur. And to present the winner, 5,000 worth of product monthly for 1 year from Lux Beauty and Wellness Group, RJ Macaraeg, Country Head Wembelica, and Mr. Mike Lee, Head of Business Development. Get ready for the next set of awards as the Star Awards for Movies returns.
Of the night, Ruby Domingo.
Our male face of the night will receive a plaque and a cash prize from Benquilla Productions and Echo Mix Construction.
And the female face of the night, congratulations, Marian Rivera.
The female face of the night will receive a plaque and cash prize from Ben.
On behalf of Miss Marian, we will be receiving the award. Oh my gosh.
Okay, so you can now congratulate yourself.
I know! Gusto ko lang sabihin na pinapatunayan lang po ng award na to na just for tonight, mas gwapo ko sa'yo. Bigyan mo na sa akin. Again, congratulations. Thank you so much to our wonderful sponsors. We are almost halfway through our awarding ceremony, but we have to say thank you to someone who I admit is as handsome as
Hindi nga pwede kasi nga nanalo ka na yan.
Ngayon lang. Pero sa lahat ng araw, panalong-panalo ka. Let's say thank you to Mr. Alden Richards. Thank you so much for being right here doing the hosting duties for the evening.
Yes, salamat. It's always an honor to be co-hosting with you, Robbie. Siyempre, parang first yata natin to.
And I hope it's not the last.
First natin.
Manifested dream.
Manifest natin. And as well as, of course, to Bianca and to Miss Aiko, maraming salamat. thank you PNPC for having me on this milestone night.
Yes, but it doesn't mean that iiwanan po tayo ni Alvin. We'll say hello, love again sa kanya. Because syempre, we'll be around because we're really excited to know kung sino nga ba ang mag-uwi ng Best Actor and Best Actress crown. And Alvin is one of the strong contenders of the evening. Sobra. Dito yung buong family and fans mo. Can we hear a big roar coming from the fans of Alvin?
Thank you, boss.
Alright.
Pero yan, of course, malalaman natin yan. Sa pagbabalik na, the 40th Star Awards for movies. We'll be right back with more exciting awards. Thank you, boss.
Builders and Development Corporation, and they from Miss Baby Go of PG Production.